Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make original hummus. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, a quarter cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon and 1 clove of garlic. Also have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half teaspoon of ground cumin, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water on hand. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious, creamy hummus. The secret to truly smooth hummus often lies in how you prepare your chickpeas. Start by draining and rinsing 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas very well under cold water. For an exceptionally creamy texture, take a few extra minutes to gently rub the chickpeas between your hands or against a clean towel to remove their thin skins. This small effort makes a big difference in the final product. Now, let's bring it all together in your food processor. First, combine the quarter cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon and 1 clove of garlic. Process these for about 30 seconds until light and fluffy. Then, add your prepared chickpeas and a half teaspoon of ground cumin. Begin blending, slowly adding 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water until you achieve your desired smooth and creamy consistency. Once your hummus reaches that perfect creamy texture, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your hummus and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a pinch more salt or a splash more lemon juice. Transfer it to a serving bowl, create a swirl with the back of a spoon, and drizzle generously with 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley for a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.